Creating productized offers with AI. If your business offers services, chances are that you've had a client ask something like, "So how does it work? What do we get? Or what does it cost?" That moment is where many deals stall because the offer isn't clear, the scope is fuzzy, or the price feels negotiable. This lesson helps you fix that. We'll use AI to brainstorm and refine productized offers so your services are easier to sell, easier to deliver, and easier to scale. After this lesson, you'll be able to use AI to brainstorm service packages for your services with clear deliverables, turn vague custom work into structured offers with repeatable steps, ask AI to suggest tiered pricing models or bundle services, and use prompts that help you explore how to target each of your packages to the right customer. So first, let's define what is a productized service. A productized service is simply a service that's packaged like a product. It's clearly named, priced, and scoped. Think of it as a numbered menu item, like when you order a number one at a restaurant. What's in the package is already set. You're not making it up each time. That makes it easier for clients to buy and easier for you to deliver. For example, instead of saying, "We offer consulting," you say, "You can buy our consulting package," which includes a 90-minute strategy session with written recommendations in 48 hours, and the price is $495. That is a clear package that reduces friction for your customer and helps them understand what they're getting easily. So first, let's use AI to brainstorm service ideas. Here's where most people would go wrong. They give AI a vague prompt like, "I help businesses with marketing. What can I sell?" And the results come back just as vague. If you want great ideas and clear packages, you need to feed AI great input. So here's how to write a better prompt. You're going to include 5 ingredients. These 5 ingredients are who you help, what outcome they want, how you typically deliver it, what your comfort range is for pricing, and perhaps what turnaround time you aim for, because the turnaround time could affect your pricing. So in your prompt, it would look something like this. I help, insert who you help, who are overwhelmed by the thing you help them with. They want, and then put in what outcome they want. I typically work, this is how you deliver it. My ideal price points are between, this is where you put in your price range, for example, $500 to $2,000. And I'm looking to turn this into 2 or 3 productized offers with a clear scope and a turnaround time. And you add your turnaround time here if that affects your price, and names of each tier. Please list them as a table showing the package name, what's included, delivery time, and suggested price. So let's say, for example, you're a law firm. This is how that prompt may look. I help solo law firm owners who are overwhelmed by admin work. They want to look more professional online and free up time for billable hours. I typically work one-on-one over Zoom and deliver templates and training. My ideal price points between $500 and $2,000. I'm looking to turn this into 2 to 3 productized offers with a clear scope, turnaround time, and names. Please list them as a table showing the package name, what's included, delivery time, and suggested price. This is our prompt. So now let's go to ChatGPT and put this prompt in to begin building our product tiers. All right, we're here in ChatGPT. Let's paste in our prompt. There's a full prompt. We're ready to go. Now, right now it's going to look at our prompt and build these pricing tiers for us. All right, here are 3 clear productized offers built for, wow, it even gave us images to go with these. It's amazing. All right, so here are our productized offers for our table. A professional presence starter, the attorney efficiency kit, and the signature law firm system. Now, given our scenario here was for a law firm, and we asked for 3 productized layers. Now, what if, for example, we want to say, let's make these better names. Let's call these our silver, gold, and bronze. No, those are out of order. Levels. So let's take those and we'll take those products and give it different levels. So in our bronze level, our silver level, and our gold level. Now, this may not work as well for a law firm, but whatever your company has, now you can take these levels and put these tables on your website with buy now buttons so that your customer knows exactly the levels and what's included and delivery time for each of your productized services. Now you see that the prompt we use gives the AI something to work with. You're not just saying, I help lawyers or I help my customers. You're giving it context, constraints, and a desired format for the output. You've also created clear tiers of, in this case, bronze, silver, and gold to give value to each level. You could also use AI to give you more clever tier names or meaningful product levels for your industry. Here's why this matters. You give your buyers a choice and guide them toward the best fit. It also helps anchor your pricing. Even if they pick the middle, they've seen the value of the higher options. Next, let's use AI to match offers to your different buyer types. Productized doesn't mean cookie cutter. You can still match different packages to different buyers' needs. Here's our prompt. Using my 3-tier offers, describe the ideal customer and what they're likely to be struggling with. All right, now we're going to match the tiers to the likely customer. Let's see what we get. All right, a breakdown of the ideal customer for each tier and the struggles they're likely facing. So for the bronze customer, professional presence starter, the ideal customer may be the solo attorney who knows their online presence feels outdated. The silver could be the attorney efficiency toolkit, where the particular attorney could be a solo firm owner who feels buried under admin tasks. So what we have now is the personas match with the productized tiers. This helps you shape better marketing messages, proposals, and even your website copy. Now I want to go back a bit and give you one more bonus prompt and how to name your packages for your industry. Back in ChatGPT, let's add this prompt. Give me 5 creative but professional names for service packages based on this industry and my services. You can add in any flavor you want, such as avoid anything cheesy or overused. Do what's right for your business and industry. And we'll get these 3 names for these tiers. So let's say Foundation Suite, Practice Efficiency Packages. You know what? Now, if it were me, I would say these need to be short so that they fit in, let's say, table headers. Make each one no more than 2 words. All right, so let's do that and see what we get here. And here are our 5 choices. Now narrow down for my 3 tiers. I only have 3 packages. This is making sure we only have these 3. So now we have our 3 for our services: the Presence Essentials, the Practice Systems, and the Operations Suite. This is what was our bronze, silver, and gold. And you make it relevant for your industry. So let's recap this lesson. Productized services are clear offers with a set scope and defined outcome. AI helps you package what you already do into something easier to sell and explain. You can use AI to generate multiple versions, name pricing tiers, and refine your messaging. And this gives you leverage, more time, less back and forth, and a clear productized service structure. All right, here's your action for this course. As practice, open your AI tool and ask it to draft 3 productized service tiers based on your skills and the problems you solve. Start with the 5 key ingredients for productizing your service that we mentioned earlier. Run the prompt and get your product tiers. Then shape those pieces into names like bronze, silver, and gold packages. Refine those for your business and use it to update your marketing and sales materials.